Welcome back, guys. So we're going to be doing an unboxing video today. I paid full retail for this. This was not sent to me to do the review. I'm reviewing it because there ain't any review videos on this particular tool. So I'm making one. Once again, I paid full retail for it. So we're going to use the old Milwaukee dog grinder. Open it up. Probably gonna get some haters. Yeah, I just used the dog grinder to open up the box. Yeah, so what? We got some more sponsors coming on this channel now. There's some factoring good shop thing. Got some Mandu whole body deodorant. And we got the Rockwood 4500 BPM air hammer from Eastwood. I think I paid $34.94 for this. Gonna see how good it is. My other air hammer was junk. It would not work. Now, you gotta realize these cheaper air hammers, they're not the best. They're not a Mac. They're not a Snap-on. But them Snap-ons, I was thinking about getting one. And they're $800. And they don't come with any of the attachments. And the things about those big ones, they need air. That's the thing with these air hammers. If you don't have the air going to them, it's pointless. You need a lot of pressure going to them. So your little residential air compressor won't cut it. It might cut it on this guy, but them Snap-ons and Macs, you need an industrial commercial one like what I have over there. The big one that runs on 3-phase. Big one. So we got that attachment. Got this attachment. Got that. Got the poker. I need to use this because I got... Where did I put it? I'll go get it. I got this right here, which is a parking brake assembly for a case backhoe, and there's this pen right here that's used, and I need to press that out. I'll probably heat this up maybe and air hammer the living snot out of it, and hopefully it comes out, because that was all seized up. That's what I bought this for, and there's some, what else did I bought it for? There's some bolts and stuff that are giving me a hard time. So you got your air fitting. I don't know if that's my correct air fitting, so I might not use it. Got that, got that. You got your owner's manual, of course. But I'm gonna fire up the compressor. I'll be back when it's built up. See how it works. Okay, got the air compressor built up. This is a residential one. Once again, like I said, not gonna have the best performance with a residential compressor, but we can at least test this out. I know it got the pressure. It's just it don't hold the pressure. You know, the tank's not big enough. So if you had a different tank or storage or an old compressor that's broken, but the tank's good, you could fill the other tank up while it fills up the. I think. Go ahead and tie down the fitting. Gonna go ahead and get the spiky. Go ahead and do that on down. That's what way it goes, I think. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay. Hook it up to the air line. And pressurize the system. It'll work. Oh, we got some power. That's way more powerful than my other hammer. I'll tell you that right now. Let's see if we can get this pen out of here. So what for that? Okay, I'm tired of that pinging against my ear, so we're going to have to put my ear muffs from this market racing. Right there. Safety first, guys. These air hammers make a lot of racket, so you get your muffs on. Benchmark breakups. Let's go. It's moving, I think. Breaking it apart. But that sucker is in there. Let's try the other way. This damn thing's been in here for years and it's not nothing coming out. If it's gonna need some heat, guys. I think it's gonna need some heat. Might have to cut these ends off and re-roll them on, I think. My little vice from Harbor Freight. And there it went. What a hunk of shit, guys. What a hunk of shit. Gotta do some cast welding. I got this. It just fell apart. It's junk. Don't buy it from Harbor Freight. Junk. If some guy's gonna be like, well, why didn't you just use your guys? Because the jaws are missing in it. Sometimes don't get what I want. But that's the only answer we have now. Something happened there. See if we can get that out. Right here. Guys, see what happens. It's moving now, guys. It's moving now. Well, how about that, guys? that sucker out of there, and I need to clean this up, put her back together, guys. That's all. How about it? Job well done. That sucker was in there. Nah, you had with it. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.